I'm sorry, but he's so beautiful. Look at him. That's our leader. I am attacked. I need something to hold on to. Here we go again. I can't do this anymore. I'm leaving. I'm leaving this K-pop life. Hey everyone. So today I am here to react to Jinki's album. By Jinki I mean Onew. To me he's Jinki. I literally when I went to look up this track list for this album, put Jinki into Spotify, and then I was like, that's not what that's under. Anyways, I'm really excited. It's his first full-length album. Obviously, I'm a massive Shawl. He's our leader, and I love him. And I'm very happy to get to check out his first full-length album. I haven't been able to listen to it the past 3 days, which has been difficult, but I was on my way back from the Philippines, and it took me a while to finally be able to sit down and film this, because yesterday I had to pick up my cat and do other important things, and the day before that I had to deal with jet lag. So yeah. But yeah, I'm ready. I hope you're ready. We're gonna start with the Circle MV and a live version of it. The live version of it is 100% gonna get blocked, so that will be on Patreon for free. It'll be linked in the description if you're interested. And then we're going to do the first of the B-sides, and then we're gonna do 2 other videos with all the other B-sides, so stay tuned for that. I will be ranking. This is what I will be doing my ranking on. And then let you know what my favorite from the album is after this. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into Circle, shall we? This is so weird. Like, I feel so unprepared. Like, with other groups, I obviously try to stay away from teasers and everything, usually. But with SHINee, since they're my old, I'm usually not able to. So usually I know a lot when I go into something. But since all the, like, promotion period, like the pre-release promotion, was while I was on vacation, like, I know nothing. I'm going on to like, because I tried to stay away since, you know, I was on vacation. I wasn't on social media. So I'm so blind for this, and I'm terrified. But yeah, let's go with Circle. My captions are on. Okay, Jinki, hit me. Ooh. Okay. He said this was a dance track, right? And I've seen some teaser images and it looked dark. Oh, okay. It doesn't sound very dancey, Jinki. God, okay. He looks so good in all those stylings. I like how versatile they're making his hair. I like the way he's styled a lot. He looks so mature. But just, you know, after Dice, quite the change. And he's so pretty. He sounds great too. God, that outfit is it for me. That one. I've seen glimpses of this outfit, but look at it. Ooh, the bass too. I've seen like one teaser clip of this, and it sounded like kind of gospel-y, and that still sounds true. God, this is amazing! Also, I'm trying to digest these lyrics, but there's so much happening, and he's so pretty. Let's just start over and let me pay attention to the lyrics once. He looks so pretty. The song sounds so good. I'm trying to digest everything that's going on in the VP. There's a lot to this. Jinki. God, he sounds so good. So we're like drifting together through the seasons and like the waves of life is what I'm getting. We're all walking different paths through this world, but we're all living in the same world. Oh, Jinki, you're so beautiful. You sound so good. This man lied to us. Dance track my ass. Jinki, I hate you. What was he writing? Eternity? What? Why is there blood on that though? That I already found that jaw jarring in the teaser. I still don't understand why it's here. God, this song is so chill but intense. I love this. And this is so different from what any other SHINee member has done in their solos. It's so different from anything that SHINee would do even, which is difficult to achieve because they're SHINee, they do everything. This is a song, I understand now what Kibom means by this is a song he could never do, because I saw like a shot of him saying that. This is a song that out of all of SHINee, I do think only Jinki could do, maybe Jonghyun, but even Jonghyun couldn't. I don't think. The closest that Jonghyun ever did is Hallelujah, and that's quite different. I love this. This is really something only Jinki could do. I love this. He's so cute. God, you're so pretty. Yes! Why is he wearing a kite? God, he's so beautiful. I'm sorry, it's not, but he's so beautiful. Look at him. That's our leader. Okay. Oh, look at him. He's so beautiful. Oh, look at me. Yes, you're so beautiful. I love this. It's about like the cycle that we all keep going through. It's about how it's like eternal. It's about how it all will keep going no matter what, and how it's all connected. I feel like it's also about. It's such a gorgeous, gorgeous song. It's beautiful. It do be a gospel number. It's so cool. It's so different. It's Jinki, you're perfect. Do you know that you're perfect? I'm looking at him like I have the like season's greetings calendar right now. Do you know that you're perfect, my boy? He's also back there. There's a lot of Jinki in my room. Like, he's right there. Oh, don't look at the mess of my bed. Oh no, I shouldn't have exposed that. Anyways, he's around, and I just Jinki, you're so amazing. That was so good, and I feel like that song, like, it does something to me emotionally. Like, it gives me that fullness that I sometimes talk about, where like a song just hits you. I feel like even without knowing the lyrics, you can tell that that song is big. Like, it feels big. I love that. I cannot imagine what that choreo is going to be like, so I'm very excited to check out the performance right now. This do be a countdown performance, so it's probably going to get blocked. If it's still here, then like yay, but it's probably going to get blocked. But I have no idea what this choreo is going to look like. I'm pretty sure it has choreo, because I've seen people on Twitter. Like, I try to stay away as much as I can with SHINee, but I am a shawl, so when I don't react right as it comes out, there do be spoilers around for me. So yeah, let's see what this choreo looks like, because I have no idea what it could look like. Oh, also, it's Jinki, so he's gonna sing like live. I'm so jealous of everyone who got to go to his concert. I was able to travel to Korea for Kibon, but like y'all, I'm not made of money. I wasn't able to travel back for Jinki. He's so beautiful. Whoa, formations. Oh, this is so cool. The subtlety of his movements. Oh, that little body roll. Sorry, just one more time. Oh, Jinki. Respectfully, sir. He doesn't look real. He doesn't look like a human. He looks like an elf. He looks too pretty to be real, y'all. Oh, that is so cool. Our first Jinki fan chat at a music show. Stop me, I'm getting emotional. Whoever styled him, thank you. Thank you. The measured way he's doing it all. It's like he's singing about the cycle of life, but he's like completely at ease with it and also kind of above it. It's almost like it doesn't affect him, but then it does. Listen, y'all, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm dying. Murder me, Jinki, please. I don't know who I want to be right now, but okay. Oh, it's like coming together. Like, I guess that moment is kind of like about like the encounters you make in life and how like sometimes you walk side by side for a while and then your paths diverge again. Maybe that's also why he's like a part of it but also disconnected, because like people are part of your life, but like in the end you only live your own. I don't know. Because he does feel disconnected from the rest. Oh, that's so cute. Did that just say T-Bone? Jinki! Where did T-Bone come in? Jinki! You are the main character! I love this so much. That is so cool. Jinki is everything. Okay. Circle is so cool and so different. And it's so interesting seeing Jinki like explore himself artistically as a musician, because like from voice to dice to this, everything has been so different, and you can really tell how he's like finding his own groove, finding his like own niche, and becoming comfortable like exploring things. Because in my opinion, voice was very much so his comfort zone, and then dice was like more outside of it, but it felt like he was still trying to like play it safe a little bit. And like that one was then less vocally intense because he was going to be dancing, right? And now it feels like he's finding his way to do both. And I don't know, I'm so proud of him. Anyways, next up we have Cough. Let's go. By the way, I've got lyric videos. I know these are probably not gonna be the best ones. After all, the album did only come out 3 days ago, and as much as it pains me to admit as a SHINee, SHINee aren't exactly the group that inspires the most lyric video making people to make good lyric videos. But I'm gonna try. Our boy is actually sick. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, I love this. Oh, this sounds beautiful. Ooh, the low vocals. So he's kind of post-breakup type situation. Like, it's called Cough because he's not like not doing well all the way. Like, he's not like fully sick, but he's also not quite well. So like when you have a cough. Oh, this sounds great. I love you, so beautiful. love this genre. I don't know what it is, but I love this genre. I love Jinki's voice for it. I love how like unbothered he almost is singing this. This is beautiful. The range too. Oh yeah, because he's also, I guess it's about like the end of winter is also something he's using as a metaphor here. That album concept really fits this album. This is really well done. Everything working together. And just and like I'm sitting with the ghost of you for a while. God, he sounds so good. Oh, and then we've got a weird, awkward outro. That was so beautiful. Cough is... I don't know what I like more already. Circle is so cool. This album's gonna put me through it. This album is so Jinki. And I didn't even know what Jinki looked like yet, but I feel like this is Jinki. Well, fair enough. I also felt like Dice was Jinki and voice was Jinki, but this is so Jinki. I feel like this is Jinki just... Yes. I don't know if I like Circle or Cough more. I'm gonna sit on that in between videos. Let me know in the videos. Actually, let me know in the comments. Which is your favorite Jinki title track? Up until now, it was Dice for me. I can see Circle. I can see Circle surpassing it, but I'm not sure. I'm unsure as of right now. I really like Circle though. I think Circle might take it because it's so unique. It's so unique, and I love that. But yeah, let me know what your favorite Jinki title track is, and then in the next videos, let me know your favorite B-sides of the album. I'm gonna have to sit and think if I like Cough and Circle more. But yeah, as always, like, comment, subscribe. I know that at the time I'm uploading this, my killer reaction is probably still not out. I filmed it before I went to the Philippines, but then I wasn't able to edit anything because I was sick before I went to the Philippines, and time ran out on me. But that is coming as well, because obviously it's Jinki Bomb. I have an old category. It only has 4 people. 2 of them are SHINee members. One is Jonghyun, one is Jinki Bomb. So obviously I reacted to that. Also, you can see Killer back there already. I love that album. But yeah, my reaction to that is coming out soon. So if you want to see me react to all the new SHINee releases as they come, you know, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because showels be showelin'. I will never ever skip out on a SHINee release. And you know, our boys are about to come back properly, so be excited with me for when that happens. But yeah, that's it for me for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Links to the Patreon and the Twitch are in the description. I'm trying to get back on it with everything. Might be doing some restructuring, we'll see. But yeah, that's it for me for today, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.